Tesla reaches $1 trillion in market cap. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.Heise here, and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee because we're going to talk about Tesla reaching $1 trillion in market cap. Let's just jump over here right now. You can see it's at $1,018. Market cap is $1.01 trillion. And we'll go, there you go, guys. There you go. So, fantastic. Congratulations to all the Telstra holders that are viewers of the channel. I know some of you are. I know a lot of you are skeptical of Tesla. I have not invested in Tesla. I'm a little bit too skeptical of it, but you've got to realize the one advantage Tesla has, and there's some good news coming out about Hertz, but the one super advantage Tesla has is an army of apes pushing up that price. Tesla has a lot of fanatical supporters, everyone, and that will play a big part. We've seen it with GME. So let's have a look at this. Tesla zooms past $1 trillion market cap on bet that the EV future is now. This is from Reuters. Tesla surpassed $1 trillion in market value on Monday after landing its biggest ever order from rental company Hertz, a deal that reinforced the electric car leader's ambitions to top the entire auto industry in sales over the next decade. Now, this is a big deal. This is a huge deal. What you're going to do is, if Hertz, even though I thought they were in a lot of trouble, weren't they at the verge of bankruptcy, but still, if they can pull this off, get these cars, Tesla has their cars everywhere. Every time you rent a car, you go to Hertz, you drive in Tesla. People will go on holiday. They'll go on a work function. They'll be driving in a Tesla. They'll experience a Tesla. Often, a lot of these car companies, what they'll do is they will provide people with cheaper, or provide these rental companies with discounted cars because they want people to have a great experience in them. And then when they come home, they have fond memories of that car. And then what do? They buy the car. So this is like a whole lot of advertising for Tesla. Now, you just have to hope that there isn't an issue or a disaster with the cars, and that the cars are built at a quality that people want to enjoy and want to buy. Tesla shares surged as much as 14.9% to $1,045, making it the world's most valuable automaker according to Reuters. Even Tesla chief executive Elon Musk expressed surprise at the velocity of the surge. Strange that moved valuation, as Tesla is very much a production ramp problem, not a demand problem. Musk tweeted in reply to a comment by Ross Gerber, co-founder of the investment fund Gerber Kowalski and a Tesla shareholder. Wild times, Musk wrote in a separate tweet. There you go. And you know why he shaped the rocket that way, don't you? You just know why he did. This whole thing, this whole business, it's just a meme. That's why he's doing it, guys. Okay. Tesla is the first car maker to join the elite club of trillion-dollar companies, including Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet. Most automakers do not boast about sales to rental car companies, often made at discounts to unload slow-selling models. But for Tesla and its investors, Hertz's decision to order 100,000 Tesla vehicles by the end of 2022 showed electric vehicles are no longer a niche product, but will dominate the mass car market in the near future. Electric vehicles are now mainstream. We've only just begun to see rising global demand and interest, Hertz interim chief executive officer Mark Fields told Reuters. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has set an annual sales growth target of 50% on average, eventually reaching 20 million vehicles a year. That will be more than twice the volume of current sales leaders Volkswagen AG and Toyota. Consumer demand for electric vehicles is turning a corner in some major markets. The Tesla Model 3 was the best-selling vehicle of any kind in Europe last month, consulting firm JATO Dynamics reported on Monday. Tesla also appeared on Monday to be making progress resolving regulatory problems that threatened its business in China. The company said it had opened a new data and research center in Shanghai to comply with government requirements that data collected from vehicles in China stay in the country. However, Tesla faced a new U.S. regulatory pressure on Monday. The National Transportation Safety Board's new chief sent Musk a letter questioning why Tesla was rolling out its fully self-driving software, even though the company has not officially responded to the NTSB's question about the automated driving safety systems. I've got less confidence in the auto driving tech than, there's other competitors there. We'll see if Tesla's moat actually stands there. I think it's just going to be a lot of the hype. And if it's a good experience in the car. So the Hertz order puts an exclamation point under guidance for 50% plus growth in deliveries, Roth Capital analyst Craig Irwin said. Another solid piece of evidence EVs are going mainstream. Tesla now faces the daunting day-to-day challenge of becoming a high-volume automaker, growing at a rate not seen since the 1900s when demand exploded for Henry Ford's Model T. Tesla is coping with an order backlog for its vehicles and extended supply chain disruptions. Tesla Chief Financial Officer Zachary Kirkhorn cautioned investors during a call last week that Tesla's near-term production goals will hinge on resolving those disruptions and ramping up 2 new huge assembly and battery plants in Austin and Berlin. There is quite an execution journey for us, Kirkhorn said. Rivals are not sitting still. Daimler, Mercedes, Ford, startups such as Lucid and China's Xpeng are all battling Tesla with new electric cars or trucks. Hey, and remember, Evergrande got into it too, guys. Investors and analysts are now looking past their near-term challenges. Morgan Stanley boosted its Tesla price target by 33% to $1,200 as the brokerage expected the electric car maker to surpass 8 million deliveries in 2030. The Hertz deal also underscores the power of Tesla's brand as the rental car company emerges from bankruptcy and aims to revive its once dormant brand. Hertz's rescue is led by groups of investors including Knighthead Capital Management, Centered Opportunities, and Apollo Capital Management. We absolutely believe that this is going to be a competitive advantage for us, interim Hertz CEO Mark Field said of the Tesla order due to be delivered by the end of 2022. So Tesla have to make this order. They've got no chance, guys. They've got to do it. They've got to make this order or they're going to be in a lot of trouble, everyone. They've got to pull it off. So we want to be a leader in mobility. Getting customers experience with electrified vehicles is an absolute priority for us. Tesla's cheapest Model 3 sedan starts at $44,000, making this new order worth $4.4 billion if the entire order were for mass market sedans. Guaranteed it's not. Guaranteed they're not paying that price. They're going to get a bulk order deal. They will definitely get a deal, guys. Fields declined to say how much Hertz was paying for the order. Tesla was not immediately available for comment. With the current order, Hertz said EVs make up more than 20% of its global fleet. Fields cited the rising number of EVs for sale and consumer interest in electrified vehicles. Hertz also said it was installing thousands of chargers throughout its network. Customers who rent a Tesla Model 3 will have access to 3,000 Tesla supercharging stations throughout the US and Europe. Tesla shares closed up 12.7%. So there we go, guys. Well, let's have a bit of a talk. So there we have it. Tesla is sitting at $1 trillion over $1,000 a share. Are all of you surprised, guys? Thank you for everyone who partook in my poll, everyone. And you know what? We'll bring this up right here. Let me just find this here to have a look at those of you. Boom, we can see here 11% are Tesla investors and 89% are not. Bought some from 200XX when you people were laughing at Tesla. There you go, Winnie the Pig Farmer got in at the right time. Good on them. Well, so congratulations to all of you that have managed to buy some Tesla shares, guys. Good work. Good work. We'll see how it goes. So if you've enjoyed that video, check out this episode of Buying a Tesla with Bitcoin. Now, the way that Tesla and Elon had figured it out is that they were never at risk. They were always going to win. So just keep that in mind. That's how they play the game. And, well, maybe that's a good sign for those of you that have invested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.